Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the short you want gone. Open the YouTube app or Studio on desktop, then go to your channel and content. Once there, filter to shorts so you only see vertical clips. This speeds selection. Tap the short, then open the three-dot menu or video actions. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're signed into the correct account because deleting is permanent for that channel. If you plan to upload a corrected clip, export it now before deletion. Next, select Delete from the Actions menu and read the confirmation prompt carefully. You do this because deletion is immediate and permanent on that account. There is no recycle bin. When the prompt asks you to confirm, pause and verify the video title and upload date to avoid mistakes. Once confirmed, YouTube removes the short from public view and from any playlists, but cached copies may persist briefly. Make sure to clear drafts or linked posts on other platforms if you cross-posted. To finish, verify the short is gone by refreshing your content list and viewing your public channel. If you still see it, clear the app or browser cache, sign out and back in, then check again. Sometimes propagation takes minutes. If deletion fails or the menu option is missing, make sure you have owner/editor permissions, then retry from Studio on desktop. If problems persist beyond 24 to 48 hours, contact YouTube support. Include video ID and screenshots to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.